So let's say you are on the Mac Chapel platform. You hit this login screen and you don't remember your password, but you remember your email. So what do? When you scroll down, you will see that there is an option here for forgot password. Click on the forgot password and you'll be presented with this interface, which will ask you to enter the email you used to log in, or you used to sign up. So this is the email I used to sign up. Now you must have access to this email, because when you enter this email and you hit this send, it will load and then send a reset email. So you receive this feedback when it's successful. We have emailed your password reset link, which means that the email you entered, you have to go into your inbox and look for the message and follow up from there. So when you go to your inbox, I'm in my inbox and this is it. It's here. So it looks safe. This is the message I got. You're receiving this email because we received blah blah blah. So you can either click on this or you can click on this link but it has to be within 60 minutes, else you have to do it again. So I'm going to hit the reset password button and I'll be presented with another interface. Yes, now I'll be asked to enter my new password and I'm entering my new password. So you enter your new password and you reset. Hit the reset. The password must be at least 8 characters. So reset. Now once I reset successfully, you'll be presented with the interface. I'm doing it on the laptop, you'll be doing it on your phone. So this is the interface you'll be presented with, and at this point you have successfully reset your password. You can log out and log in with your new password and it should be successful. So anytime you forgot your password, you just go through this process.